Once again, continuations can no, Sir Beto. So again, very sorry. Karon is about 21 treatment sessions. Again, last time ka 20 no. Then pindot naman to yang kuan. So again, more gini akong gi-favor the hand and foot by which the so here again, thank you for the US no to understand this one. Again, the Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, no, there you are. Then Susan, the inventor of YouTube, there you are. Larry Page, the inventor of the Google. Sir Richard Branson, the business magnate, no, the chairman of the board of the Virgin Group of Company, and now is ours, the showing the result of Wikipedia, Hearty Pure Care. Then, result of the, again, wak pa rin ako mahuman ng fill up, kasi hindi ko kabawa ng fill up, no, ba, no, again, by which lagi, I need the RC na noon, akong first degree cousin, mo muna iha, kay mismo scientist, sa gisto siya sa iha, kining millennium, no, and then, I'm really sorry, no, nga nahuwa, takajot, so here, no, again, asa lagi mo income, so this one is the copyright from the YouTube, down to that, the freedom, YT, then Rex Studio, then the film section, then Zoom in the TV, that's lifetime and monthly. Then Google atong tagiya because kibaligya man gud ni Susan ang iyang party. So Google, so siya may chairman of the board. Again, Facebook, ako po ni siya permiro po din ako diya po ko niya, no. Again, anak ko, di ko biyaan akong tawo nga nakatabang ginako. Again, thank you for your understanding and cooperation by which lagi karon na apod sa type ka din ha og sciencestage.com.hearty sa Tina. So there kumita ka ng $960 as for 4 days. Kumita ka ng $960 as for 4 days by the NASA. There you are, no. Again, ergometer calibrator. Again, here my new image karon ako mag-usab, no. Typing home again. I would like to thanks America, you know. Again, thank you. So karon makita natin sa kancho, no. So here, who are you to judge, no? Again, ni-recover na. Again, sakit kay ni tanan. So sakit kay ni tanan. So here, again, sorry. So mangurinti, no? Again, mangurinti ni. There, oh. Again, pinakakusog na kay na there you are. Again, og i-base ta ni pinakakusog kay ni by which no nga ni-recover na siya, sakit kay ni siyang brain by which we have to time about 20 minutes, no. There you are. So again, here may kuan ha. There pinakakusog na kayo. When you say kusog na kayo, it's about ni-recover na gino. Iyahang nerves o iyahang muscles. There you are, no. Again. Again, sakit ni sa iyang brain, no, by which lagi iyang comprehension na hinay-hinay na ubalik, no. Again, thanks for the support sa iyang nurse po, no. Again, kaya mag-maintain po nila. Katong nilagom diri sa about tungod to sa contracture, no, by which ako laging pugson nga normal range of motion, no. Again, mo lagi nang kinahanglan tas family support and caregiver and then the nurse, no, support by which kani just follow this one, yeah. Again, hapit na gini mawa iyahang ari na sa food mo kaon, no, sa iyahang mouth, no. Again, so here nibalik na gid iyang skin. So here, nibalik na gid iyang skin, no. By which lang lagi, last time 4 minutes to iyahang Arwen ergometer, no. There. Again, mo ni iyang caregiver, no. Then you are, then iyang nurse, no. O si Cha ni ganiha dito sa balay, no. Again, I'm sorry. So iyang family, iyang wife. Again, karon sa about nga do the massage. Again, i-massage mo guni nato is about why? Because the blood pump and then tabangan nako iyang heart nga maka hatag og food sa iyahang lower extremity to the muscles, no, by which lagi para mo recover, no. Again, that's it, no. Again, today is about our 21 treatment sessions. Today is about December 18, no. Then for this tangwa again, so here from the message from the NASA, there you are, no, ergometer. Again, thank you, United States of America.